guys, my name is Iro and today I'm going to talk about the difference between melody and harmony. Although it is a very simple and easy beginner's topic, but it is something that we all have to know well. When we think of music, we think of pitch and rhythm. So pitch is a quality that allows you to differentiate between high and low sound, while rhythm is a combination of regular repeated pattern formed by a different length of movement or sound. It can be strong or weak. Rhythm happens in our daily life. When we dance, it has rhythm. When the car horns honk, it creates rhythm as well. When we take some pitches and organize them with the rhythm, it creates a melody, which also refers as tune, voice, or line, or it can be the catchy or memorable part of music. Melody is a series of individual notes. When you listen to a melody, the melody will be the most obvious layer. It's often higher in pitch or louder in dynamics than the other layers in the background. So realize how our ears naturally draw to the melody line, and the melody line here is clearly sung by the singer. Melody can be played or sung by its own, and it also can be supported or accompanied by a group of notes, which we call it as harmony. Harmony gives us so much more color, layers, and emotional to the music, and they happen to be two or more notes sounding at the same time. They don't sound separated like how we play them as a melody. They seem to be together as a one thing. The trumpets and trombones play the main melody here. Notice how the harmony layers in the piece. The notes are often repetitive, very much in the background, and they do not shine out as the same way as the melody does. So, I hope you enjoyed this video today and can now easily differentiate the difference between melody and harmony. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!